With the 50th PBA season approaching, basketball fans have high expectations for the release of the list of the 50 greatest PBA players in history. In an exclusive interview with PTV Sports, PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial shared his thoughts on who he believes should be included. Here's the report from Jamaica Bayaca.
As part of the 50th anniversary celebration of PBA on April, the National League is preparing exciting announcements for the much-anticipated 50th season of the league. This includes recognition of the 50 greatest PBA players of all time who have made a significant impact on the history of PBA. According to Commissioner Willie Marcial, he is already forming a selection committee to ensure a proper and fair process in selecting the PBA icons that will be added to the list. Marcial clarified that he is not a member of the selection committee. However, he hopes that players from the 1970s and 1980s will be prioritized.
Sasuggest ko baka pwedeng simulan muna namin sa 75 to 90. Suyurin muna natin lahat doon. Hindi yung patalon na. Kasi yung mga players naman na to, siguradong mag-greatest din sila pagdating ng panahon nila.
The PBA Commissioner also believes that 8-time PBA MVP Jumar Fajardo deserves a place on the list. Fajardo has won championships in PBA 10 times, recognized as Finals MVP 4 times, and an 11-time Best Player of the conference.
One na palagay ko napapasok, Jumar Fajardo. Walang beses MVP, so yun pa lang. Kasi may criteria yan, tapos ito. So tingnan natin, sana masatisfy natin. Hindi natin masasatisfy lahat. Pero sana karamihan masatisfy natin ng mga fans at ang PBA family.
The golden anniversary season of the league will kick off in April 9. Jamaica Bayaca from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.